How to hide my live location on Snapchat. In this video, I will show you how you can hide your live location from your friends or any user on Snapchat using this method. So what will you do? Just open your Snapchat account. When you are on your Snapchat account, on top left side, click on your avatar or profile icon. When you click on this, now again on top right side there is a gear option. This represents our setting. Just simply click on your settings. When you click on your setting, scroll down at the bottom. Here you can see there will be an option with see my location. Now you can see the option called see my location. Simply you will click on this see my location. Here you can control your location privacy with your friends or with any public users. So what is you here you can see my live location. There are option called hide my location. Simply you will click on this. When you click on this will be enabled. Now you can see your location has been hidden from anyone on Snapchat. So this is the way you can hide your location from your friends or users on Snapchat.